we're going to be feeding a Bio-Orb with Blue Boost DinoNutrients. The first thing you want to make sure is that the Blue Boost DinoNutrients or the regular DinoNutrients is the same temperature as the contents of your Bio-Orb. So just keep them in the same room for a couple hours, or store the DinoNutrients in the same room, and that would be a good thing. Make sure the cap is always tight on the DinoNutrients. Don't allow evaporation. The cap is tight. Shake it just to make sure everything's mixed together. There's no precipitate, and it's also good. So it also aerates the nutrients, which is good for the dinoflagellates. They like that. So we give that a little shake. Give the Bio-Orb a little swirl and open the cap. Now, there's no measuring, but we're just going to add a small amount. We'll call it between a few tablespoons to a splash. We're going to hold the we're going to tilt the Bio-Orb up and tilt this, and carefully pour so we get our desired amount, and that's good. Then we replace the stopper. And we replace the cap on the DinoNutrients, and we put the Bio-Orb back in its original location where it's receiving daily light. We typically like to feed during the daytime. However, you can feed at night. It's rather spectacular, and I think we'll do another feeding right now to show you what it looks like at night, because it happens to be nighttime right now. But we'll turn off the lights and give you a shot of what nighttime feeding looks like. So let's turn off the lights. Let's see how it is adjusting. So let's see if this is working. There's our Bio-Orb. As you can see, it's lighting up. We'll remove the cap again, and we're going to go through the same process. A little shake, undo the cap, there you see, nighttime feeding. Hopefully we got that in frame. Put the cap on tight, store the DinoNutrients in a nice, cool, dark location. And your Bio-Orb is happy and fed.